Hi, I'm Jamie, and I'm 7 years old. I love adventures, but sometimes my backyard can be so boring. Mom says I should use my imagination, but it's hard when everything looks so normal. Wait, what's that? Is that a glowing pebble? Wow, it's warm and it's hum hum hum. I wonder what happens if I... Whoa, did you see that? The flowers just grew taller. What if I imagine a castle? Oh my gosh, look! This is amazing, I can create anything. A dragon, no wait, a friendly dragon. Hi, Mr. Dragon, want to fly around my castle? Now let's add a moat with friendly sea monsters. And a rainbow bridge to a cloud city. This is the best day ever! I never want it to end! Oh no, it's getting dark. I have to go inside. But wait, the pebble stopped glowing. Everything's back to normal. I'm a little sad, but you know what? That's okay, because now I know there's magic everywhere if you just use your imagination. I can't wait to see what adventures today brings. Maybe I'll find a magical feather or a talking tree.